Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Whew. Yeah, I know, buddy. It's cold out. My dog even said it's cold out today. We got about 12 inches of snow in the last 24 hours. Colder than heck. Whew. 383 engine underneath the hood of this thing. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. Truck's been all slammed on, all lowered. Sitting on a set of 22-inch weld wheels. Gorgeous paint and body on this truck. Spray-on bed liner. Roll pan rear bumper. Little board in there. Tells you some stuff about the truck as well. New door handles, new mirrors, new chrome. This thing's all been redone. New leather seat. I don't know, pleather, leather. I don't know how to tell. It's nice. Matching dash pad, matching headliner, visors, door panels. Vintage air controls are down there in the gray. It's got a retro radio, kick panel speakers, low car pedals. I'd say the paint is gorgeous on this truck. This grill surround's got a couple little scratches on it. I actually was contemplating on putting a new one on it. It's got a couple little dings in it. That's about the only thing you can say negative about this whole truck, so, as far as I'm concerned. Underneath the hood, spectacular. All brand new front drive system on the truck. AC compressor, balancer, Power Master alternator, water pump. All the pulleys are all chrome. New valve covers, stainless headers. They're long tube, chrome master, brake booster. Brand new hood hinges. It's an all-around gorgeous pickup. Dakota digital dash. Kinion Classics. I show you what I see on these vehicles. This is all gorgeous on this truck. It's all been taken apart. The inner fenders match, the underneath the hood matches. This is a very, very highly detailed pickup. No, that light's working. I could have swore it wasn't when I walked around the first time, but now it is. So, truck sounds good, runs good, drives good. We've done a lot of work to the truck. When I bought the truck, I didn't like how it looked underneath the hood, so we redone the whole underneath the hood on it, brought it up to the next level. So everything you see underneath the hood is all brand new. I'm gonna price this truck right. I think it's a it's an excellent price on the truck. $59,900. That's right, $59,900 on this truck. I think it's a great price. Could never find one or build one, put one together for that. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day, so give us a call. 72 Chevrolet C10 custom short bed pickup. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here real shortly with another great quality collector truck.